Right. Just got my little camera stand all sorted. Yeah, little wire and shit. Okay. I don't know who needs to know this. AU Falcon changing this thing. I've had it out for a little while. It's not as easy as it was. Okay. Little plastic piece. Took me a little while to get this. Okay. And sliding them on there. Like Bob's auntie. And then we'll check in the back piece. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, I'll put the bloody thing on first. Inside there. It seemed a bit weird. There we go. Another straight piece. I don't know how long this is. I just cut it anyway to the size. Then you got a dot, a little press up. Slide them in there, press up. Yeah, don't get me wrong with my words, I don't care. Then got my little skull. She's still safe as. But in reverse, neutral, can't go forward. Get drive, can't go to neutral. I don't know why I can't go to neutral. Should be able to go to neutral, but that's it. Yeah, I've got to mount the poor little skull on it. Might have to chop this a little bit more, just to bring it down a bit more over there. Maybe a little bit of tape, I don't know. And Bob's auntie. I got me a straightforward, safe as. Just push down. Yeah, I might have to cut it a bit more because I smashed my head in it. But look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Bob's auntie. I don't know who needs to know that, but yeah, shoppers!